Hi friends, welcome to Sri Vidya Study Circle. See, my dear friends, today we will discuss SSC 2019 percentage questions. See friends, these are all useful for all the competitive aspirants, but present trend exam questions. See, 20% of 45 plus 45% of 320. Very clear. Already in basic class in our videos we discussed this is that observe numbers are same, just like observe this basic formula, x percent of y is equal to y percent of x. You know very well, just simply apply that formula. Within half minute we can solve this problem. See, 320% of 45 is nothing but we can write as 45% of 320. Both are same. You can use that formula. That is nothing but both are same is nothing but what? 2 times of 45% of 320. How much? We don't know. Take 50%. Basics you know. 50% of 300 half, that is 160. You know that 160. Now subtract 5%. This is 45 we need, but we have written here 50%. Subtract 5% from this one. 5% means what? Keeping one decimal point from right side, that is 16. Simply subtract it. 4, 4, 1. Actually multiply, this is the answer. 288 is the that is answer. Okay na? By using basic formula. Yes. Now here 20% of 45% of a number is 20. A is 81 given, and what is 40% of that number, same number, that number. Here one number is there, didn't give. 20% of 40% of this number is 81, but what is the 40% of this number he is asking. Okay na? We should observe carefully what was given, right? 20% means what? Already before video discussed percentage to fractions conversion. 20% means nothing worry. 20 by 100, 1 by 5, simply just 1 by 5 into 45%, 45 by 100, that's it. See, 9 times. This is nothing but 9%. No need cancel. We should not cancel this one because we need this percent is equal to 81. That is, we required 9 by 100 means 9%. Very easy. See, 9% equal to 81. Simply asking 40% is equal to how much? 40% of that same number, that number. See, 9 when you will get 81 friends, 9 nines. So multiply here 9. 4 nines 30. This is answer 360. That's it. Okay na? Or if you observe here, if any question is asking you some x% of other of 2 offs, some 20% of, some 45% of, that number means you can take the one more shortcut. You can keep decimal point of 1 digit from the left side. Here 2.0, 2.0, here 4.5. 4.5 is how much friends? 9. See, 9%. Okay, that is also one logic, but this is basic concept. But logic also you can remember, but basic very important. Okay na? This is not if they will give big numbers, you can apply a decimal from right side onwards, keeping 1 point and multiply both. That's it. Next questions. See friends, next examples, very important. These are also exam questions 2019 SSC, but these are useful for all the competitive aspirants, my dears. Okay, if x% of y is 150, x% of y is 150, very important this model, and y% of z is 300, then relation between x and z relation is x and y and z. He is asking x and z relation. Very important this problem. But these types of questions, observe the options. Given answers very important. Okay, just once observe z. Okay, just observe. Now see, if you observe here, this is 150 and this is 300. Yes, we can get the idea. When you will get becomes 150 is equal to 300. Yes, 2 times. If you multiply total equation 2 times, you can equate to this one. How it is? 2 times of, see, x%, of y is equal to 2 times of 150 means 300. Okay na? So instead of 300, what we can take? y% of z. That's it. See, already answer completed. y% of z. That's it. Okay na? This 300, this also 300. Then you can equate left side. Okay. Now simply you are neglecting this totally single term. This is also single term because in between these numbers there is no plus or minus. If there is into means you can treat a single term, then only you can strike out the same terms, that is percentage symbol, percent symbol, and off and off, and y and y. What are the remaining? Here 2x is there, here z is there. Now go to answer. See, z equal to 2x. This is a answer. That's it, friends. First of all, you observe the given question, whatever it may be. Okay na? Compulsory some relation will be there in the given question. Now next question. An article is sold for rupees. See my dear students, sold, key point, sold for rupees 1680 after 3 successive discounts. After 2 successive discounts of discounts means what? Discounts reducing. Okay na? I mean minus, negative 20% and 60%. What is the market price of the market price? This is important. He sold it means sold at and market price. From these two, which is starting value and last value? Why? Because friends, already in our basics I told one formula, starting and last value. That's why I am using that words, starting value and ending value. Means what? Market price is nothing but cost price. Okay na? Sold price is nothing but ending price. So ending price given. So we want to find out market price means starting value we are finding. So denominator operations, I told one clue, numerator operation and denominator operation in the basic videos, that he gave last value. So denominator operation, 20% means what? 100 minus 20, 80%. So 100 into, second is 16%, this is also discount, so we are writing minus, that is 84. Okay na? This is very important, friends. If he give last value denominator operations, if he will give the first value, you should apply this condition, numerator operation. This is the answer. That's it. Into last value, that is 1680. That's it, friends. Do very easy. 0 get cancel, and this 84 here 2 times because 2 8 is 160, right? And this is 4 times, and 4 here 25. That is the answer. 200 and here 25 00. This is the answer, friends. That's it. Okay na? Very easy means. But first of all, what was given in the question and what we have to find out, that is very important. So application is very important. Now, within half minute we can solve these problems. Next problem, Shodha. See friends, next questions. 5% of A is equal to B. This is also very important, friends. There is a present trend questions asking like this only. 5% of A is equal to B. Then B% of 20. B% of 20 is the same as. Is nothing but this is equal to what? Okay na? Right. See this type of questions, observe the given options. See given up, just observe what is the structure of the options. Okay, now see, first of all we are going from here. B% of 20 means basic answer. B% of 20, there is no here first of all numbers percent, so that we know that basic formula. These all basics already we have learned in previous videos. Go through once videos. 20% of, we should immediately change as 20% of B is equal to, okay na, X% of Y is equal to Y% of X. same formula I have used here. See, in the place of B, already given this is, you apply this one is 20% of, in the place of B, 5% of A, 5% of A, 5% of A. Okay now go to options. See, starting values will not be changed, so no need to change. This is 20% of as it is, and remaining 5% of A is nothing but what, friends? 5% of A is nothing but 5% of A means 5 by 100 into A. That is answer. See, this one cancel here 20 times, that is nothing but 20% of A by 20. Now go through options. 20% of A by 20. That's it. Okay now, don't by heart the questions. Learn the methods. Yes, all the questions, all types of methods we have to learn. Now come to here. This is also very important question. Okay now, this is the SSC Tier 1 question in 19 examination. Now if A's salary is 25% higher, important key point, higher than B's salary, okay, by what percent B's salary lower than A's salary? Yes, simple, within half minute you can do this one also I told in previous videos. See, higher means percent increase. I told this one, percent increase equal to how much increase? 25%. By increase means 100 plus 25. I told already into 100. This is answer. Now see, 125 here, 1 this 25 here 5 times will cancel, 25 in 1, 5 here 20 times cancel is equal to 20% lower than A salary. Percent increase whose? B's salary lower than A salary. See, this is already explained in previous videos, friends. 20% lower than A. Okay na, that is very important. See my dear friends, these all very useful for all the competitive SSC, RRB and any competitive exams. My dears, concept is important. No, don't by heart the questions and everything. This concept important, and based on concept only these all problems I told to you. So linked and the concept to linked problem. See my dears, this type of question, this type of shortcuts if you want to learn from our channel, once here subscribe symbol, subscribe and press the bell icon and press all option, then you will get all the videos and short multiplication tricks also. Every competitive aspirant and every student should be learn multiplication and shortcut multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, 4 fundamental operations. These 4 fundamental operations calculations are very important. I will give you all these types of 4 fundamental operation calculations in our channel. Okay, thank you for watching and try to share to your friends because these are useful for all the students. Thank you. Keep watching.